Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, find cos A and tan A. First of all, let us draw a triangle. Right triangle, say for an example ABC, right angled at B as shown in this figure, where A is acute angle and we are given sin A is equal to 3 by 4, and we have to find cos A and tan A. So how sin is defined for an acute angle A in a right angle triangle? It is defined as perpendicular by hypotenuse. For this acute angle A, opposite side BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So this sin A, which is given 3 by 4, is defined as BC by AC. So we can write 3 by 4 equal to BC by AC. So sin A, which is already given, equal to 3 by 4, and by definition we have written equal to BC by AC. So from here we can understand that BC is going to be multiple of 3 and AC multiple of 4. But BC cannot be taken as 3 units and AC cannot be taken as 4 units, because this ratio BC by AC is equal to 3 by 4. That means BC is to AC is given 3 is to 4, which is sine of angle A. So let BC be equal to 3K and AC be equal to 4K. BC 3K and AC 4K. Now we shall find out AB. Using Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square. This implies AB is equal to under root AC square minus BC square, which is equal to under root. Let us put AC equal to 4K and BC equal to 3K here in this expression. So 4K whole square minus 3K whole square. This is equal to 4K square 16K square minus 9K square equal to under root 7K square, and this can be written as under root 7 into K. So this way AB is equal to under root 7 into K, where K is constant of proportionality. Now we can find cos A and tan A. So let us find cos A. How cos of acute angle A is defined? Cos is defined as base by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. AB is under root 7 into K by base is 4K. This K cancel. So root 7 by 4. This is cos A. Now tan A. How tan is defined? It is defined as perpendicular by base. So BC by AB. BC is 3K, AB under root 7K. K cancelled. So 3 by under root. Now question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. So first let us draw a right angle triangle in which A is acute angle. So we have to draw a right angle triangle ABC right angled at B with acute angle A as shown here in this figure. In this figure, ABC is a right angle triangle right angled at B with acute angle A, and we are given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. We have to find cos of this acute angle A, sin A and sec A. So 15 cot A is equal to 8. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15. And how cot is defined? Cot is defined as base by perpendicular. For acute angle, AB is base and BC is perpendicular. So cot A 8 by 15 is equal to base AB by perpendicular BC. So let AB be equal to 8K and BC be equal to 15K. AB 8K and BC 15K. Now let us find hypotenuse AC. So using Pythagoras theorem we can write AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. This is equal to under root 8K square plus 15K actually whole square. This is equal to 64K square plus 225K square is equal to under root 289K square, and square root is 17K. So hypotenuse AC is 17K. Now we can find sine of this acute angle A, and sine of acute angle A is defined as perpendicular by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC is 15K by AC 17K. K cancel, so 15 by 17, this is value of sine A. Now sec A. Sec of acute angle A is defined as hypotenuse by base. So AC by AB. AC is 17K divided by 8K. K cancel. So sec A is equal to 17 by 8, and this is the question.